Okay, let's start please. Okay, so now let's create a video using the Google Vids first. Yeah, Google Vids. So how to create a video? Please pay your attention. All are requested to please pay your attention. Yeah. So now let's create a video using the Google Vids. So you know that when we are recording the video lecture, there are three modes generally we are using. One is camera, second is camera plus screen, third is only screen, means content. So these are the majority of three modes which we are using while we are recording the lecture. Any, you may Prezi, OBS, Vids, any software, right? These are the three major modes. So in one of the mode, let's say in a presenter, camera only, right? So let's say in front of the camera and I have to speak. So in a professional, you can see there is a teleprompter, right? They are just to maintain the eye-to-eye contact with the camera, they are using the teleprompter. But in our situation, generally what we are doing, we might be put a paper here, might be have a paper here, and we are trying to do that. So it's easily we are unable to maintain the eye-to-eye contact with the camera, right? So means we need a teleprompter, right? So let's use a digital teleprompter free of cost. Okay, right? Digital teleprompter, we need not to spend anything. Okay, so okay, suppose I have few content. Let's say I will generate few content which I need to speak. Let's say. Few content I have generated through AI or whatever content you have in your PPT or in your mind, whatever content you typed on your Word file, Excel, whatever. So I used this. Let it be generate. Okay, this is, let's say I have this content, a few content I generated. Okay, this is the content, whatever content you have which you want to record, right? So just copy that content, go to the Google Vids. In Google Vids, it's a browser application, no need to install anything, open into your Chrome browser. So those who have a Mac laptop, it may be a problem in the Safari browser, use the Chrome browser only, because it's a Google product. It's supported by the Chrome browser only, right? So open your this application, this Google Vids, and now I go to the record section. Record. In the record, I'll select camera. Camera means presenter only, right? Only camera, presenter. I select camera, and here you can see enter a script for this screen. Right? I'll paste the text here which I wish to record. Right? Text is here. I just paste the text here which I would like to use as a teleprompter. Right? I paste the text here. Go to the start recording. Now select the camera. So my camera feed is via Prezi. Let it be. I'll close this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now you can see on my screen the text is there which I pasted as a script. So that text just visible to me, it's not going to record. It's just for my view to maintain the eye-to-eye contact with the camera, just like a teleprompter. It will not going to record. That text is not going to record. Right? So I'm here in the teleprompter. If anyone have used the teleprompter, see there are the two major features in the teleprompter. One is text size, right? You can increase the text size, correct? And second, speed, rolling speed of the text to maintain with my speed, right? So this is the rolling speed, right? So you can maintain the both. So take a trial. If the speed is higher, you can reduce or increase the rolling speed of the text, right? Just like in the teleprompter, automatically it's rolling. So in the real teleprompter, these are the two features. You can adjust the size of the text and the rolling speed. So both options are here, right? Text size you can increase and the rolling, right? And here the start recording. Okay, so now I'm going to start. 3, 2, 1. Okay, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting system, network, program, and data from digital attack. These cyber attacks usually aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information, export money from users via ransomware, or dispute normal business operations.
Pause
Right?
any option, right?
Right, sir?
Any pause option. Sometimes to explain, no?
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So it's, you can see, I can just, I'm repeating the text and text is rolling.
Okay.
Right? Text is automatically rolling. Once the text is completed, stop.
No, in between if you want to pause.
Yeah. That option is not there here. So that we
We
can
had to
use.
manually
No, what
start the
happens,
record.
while delivering the lecture, sometimes we need to pause, we need to explain some other things also.
Yes.
The first questions are.
That first, before pasting the text, that thing first you have to prepare.
Okay, that's what.
Maintain the gap in between the
That's
text.
what
Right? Maintain the gap between the text. If you want to take a pause,
Yes, sir.
right? Increase the gap between the text. That you have to plan before pasting the script.
Suppose we want to give an example. Or pose a question.
Okay? So, and after stop, and here is the option, you can see insert. Right? So, one scene is created, I'll insert. And you can see insert. Now, have a look. Program and data from digital attack. These cyber attacks usually aim to access, change, or destroy sensitivity information, export money from users via. Right? See, clear voice and no text is here. That text was just for my view only. It's not recording actually. Right? The first scene is created, first video scene is created just for the camera presenter. Right? Now I need to record content also, content plus presenter, right? Or only content. So now I will change the shot here, camera plus screen. Camera plus screen, I will remove that text, otherwise it will be appear again, right? So now I selected the camera plus screen. So now which screen you want to record? Let's say, first ready the screen. Let's say this is my screen, I would like to record, make it full mode. So if I make it full mode, then it will be go to the standard mode, right? So I'm not going to make it full mode, otherwise in real, make it full mode, right? So if I do it full mode, then immediately my screen will switch to the extended mode, then I cannot go back to the Google Meets, right? It's a via projector, but in a standalone computer, so make it in full mode, your projector, whatever the screen you want to make it full mode. Now start recording. Now I have the camera plus screen. Start recording. So it's asked, just like in a Google Meet, which screen you want to share. So, right? You can share whole screen or a selected window. Right? So better is selected. So that's a this PPT. So if you make it in a full mode, so here you can see your full mode PPT. Just select that full mode PPT. Right? Select and 3, 2, 1. So you can see now in the corner my video is there and the PPT is there. So now I need to explain my text. Just explain your text. Right? Explain your text and stop recording. right? Stop recording, go back to the Google Bits, insert, or right, stop sharing, insert, right? Here you can see next scene is ready. So you can see now in the corner my video is there and the PPT is there. So now I need to explain my text. Just explain your text. Second shot is ready. Your text. Now come to the third shot. Third shot only screen without presenter. I'll select the screen. Start recording. Again same option. Select the screen. Whatever screen you wish to record. Share. So now only screen. Right? Only screen. So now explain your text. Change the PPTs. Explain your text. And stop recording. Stop sharing. Insert. Insert. Third shot is ready. Only screen. So now explain your text. Change the PPTs. Explain your text. Right? Okay. So now you can see three shot I have now. You can see one shot only presenter. Second shot content plus presenter. Third shot only screen. Right? Let's say I would like to add one more shot. Okay, so I'll create a scene here first, new scene. Manually I am doing it now. Scene. In that okay, suppose few images there. Let's say this image is there. Okay. I can drag and drop the image here in the new scene. Image is here, or you can share the screen or just explain that particular image only. Both way you have, right? Or either you can directly export the any image here and you can put the text here, right? You can put the add the text here. So here is the option. See here, text, right? Add a title. So you can add the text here. Any text you want to add, you can put the text. Right? Anything you can put it here. Or now you can explain it. Now let's say one more important thing. Captions. Right? Running captions. Yes, that option is also there. See here, captions. Select the caption, select the style, and caption is added here.
Is the static one or just
Running as per your voice in any language. Any language, all language automatically take your language and it start. Right? So see here now, let's see. Earlier it was not there. If you are speaking in your own language, that will come in your own language. Display sensitivity information, export money from users via. So scenes are created and finally file, download and MP4. The whole video will be downloaded. Complete video will be downloaded as a MP4.
Can you repeat the last one?
Sure. Yeah. So once all scenes are ready, when the video is ready with all scenes, then finally you need to download it.
Previous one.
Adding that.
Text.
Okay. So now adding the in the beginning, title of the video, right? So in the beginning, create a scene. Right? Create a scene, like say I'm here, scene, right? Add the text, this is the text, and there are so many styles we have. Right? I'll pick, let's say this style, this is style, right? And I'll change the text. is the first text is there. Now move this screen. You can move it into the first scene. Right? First. So my video will start with the text. Right? You can reduce the time. Reduce the time. Correct? So start with the text title. So text you can use like this. Start your video with some titles. Manually create a scene, add the text, right? Any image you want to add, right? Any image you can add here. The video will start with some thumbnail, right? Anything you can start. Then create the scenes. In every scene, now you can add the captions also. So that caption will support all language. You are speaking in Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, all the language automatically take it up and running text will show you. Just to add the caption, simply click on caption. Caption, select the style, just style, and it will, you can see styles are changing. Select the style, that's it, right? And now you have a preview here. You can have a preview. So video will start from this and then this. Yes. Sir? Okay, teleprompter again. Yeah. So how to do that? See, there are ultimately you can see we have the multiple scenes, right?
Insert scenes also.
Yeah. So multiple scenes there. Either you can create the scene manually, or when you're recording camera plus screen or screen, then scene will automatically create it, insert it. So ultimately I have the scenes, multiple scenes, and the combination of all scenes is one video, right? So in short, just like a OBS, we have a freedom. Here I can switch to any scene, right? But here every software have their own way to work, right? So this software, this is the way to work. At a time I can work on one scene, either camera plus screen, or only screen. I cannot switch. If you want to switch, then OBS is there, right? If you want to just record the screen only with your voice, then FreeCam is there. So multiple options we have. So that depend on my requirement. So if that is not suits your requirement, I think you need to change the tool. So every task is possible. Totally depend on what is my requirement here. So here multiple scenes we have, and to see in the scene, first thing is that we need to record the camera, presenter with teleprompter. So repeating it again, camera. So I go to the record section, record button. The camera and the text which you would like to speak like a teleprompter. Whatever text you have, copy the text, paste the text here. So whatever text you are pasting, let's say as I said, you need a pause in between. Increase the space. Right? Increase the space. Increase the space. Okay? And start recording. Okay? So here the text is appearing, and see here, and when I am running this, I can see the space. So I have a break. So that you have to plan before you start recording. And let's say I would like to add animation along with the camera. So now come to the crazy part.
Sir, instead of text, say for example my PPT is there. I would like to make it that PPT as an image. It will appear like this, transparent. Right?
PPT image. For that you need to create a scene. You need to insert the image into the scene. Okay, let's say one more way. Now, one more way what we can do. Let's say you have the image, right? Okay, that I can do it also. Yes, PPT image, and let's say, yeah, have a look. This is the image. Okay, this is the image. I would like to speak along with that image.
Yeah.
It's not like that. The transparent mode image.
It should not be visible to the
That's what.
student.
Normally what we do, so we will prepare PPTs, right?
Okay.
So that PPT we are going to present. Like teleprompter.
Okay, rather than the text, you said I upload the PPT and PPT will not visible here.
Yes.
No, that software will support the text only.
Okay.
So you need to plot. So in the PPT you have a text. Just copy the text and paste it there.
Here, what happens, we need to match the speed actually.
Exactly.
And the pauses, okay. We need to calculate exactly the pauses and all. So that's what. Okay, anyhow.
Yeah. We can manage it. We can manage it how? Using the phrasing. We can manage it. Let's say, okay. Let's say here I will use the I'll use the camera. Okay. Okay. I'll think delete that script first. I'll delete the script. I'll go to the camera. Right. Now I have camera on. Right. Now I would like to speak. Let's say I have my PPT and I am briefing it. There is no time limitation. I can take pause and okay. So we can do it, sir. No worry. Start recording. 2, 1. Go to the Prezi. Now I have my PPT. Right. And I off the Prezi just presenter only. But I have my PPT. Right. So now I have PPT. I can start recording. Just change your PPT or start recording, right? Camera is same, whatever I can see here, I can see the camera is same, camera is via Prezi. But here is the PPT, but that PPT I stopped, I am not sharing the PPT, I control the PPT here, but content I should push there. So now you can see via this control, it's just only the presenter. So I have the PPT here, so I can speak it, I can explain my text, just the PPT is there. Right? I can explain and it's recording there without the PPT, just like that. And stop. And finally say only presenter. Only presenter.
PPT is appearing left side or right side. What happens, we are missing eye contact, no?
Yeah, it's same. Because see, that is on my eye contact. Same software is here on my eye contact. Same camera is here. Same camera is here. I can see myself also. Right? In the Prezi, I can see, I can maintain the camera eye to eye contact here using the Prezi. Let's say another example is, let's say I see only open, let's say this PPT. Now it does not have a camera, right? I cannot view myself, but PPT is there. I cannot view myself, right? But here Prezi advantage is I can view myself.
I think I'll add to Sir's thing, like the screen script. Can we paste the image on the screen script?
No, only text.
That's what I
In widths, only text. That's the alternate I am going to show you. These are the alternates. Right? These are the alternates. Right? So in Google widths, not in it. You can fill it. Then finally, once the video is created, go to File, Download MP4 video. The complete video will be downloaded. Hope it's downloaded. And here it is. A complete video will be downloaded. Right?
Sir, after downloading only we can hear the voice.
No, you have a preview. Before downloading, you have a preview. Yeah, you can see before downloading, for each screen, you have a preview. So you can take a retake. If it is not correct, delete it and retake. You can do it scene. Every scene you can do it. See here. And finally, once everything is on the place, and then download. Yes.
Can we import video recorded in another platform into this bits?
Another video.
Another platform. Suppose we have recorded video on OBS. Can we download that video into this bits?
In the bit, you can do the voiceover. Share the screen, display the video, do the voiceover. You can explain it. Screen, you can run the video, right? Sharing the screen, that video will be appeared there.
That video is only presenter mode. We have voiceover. I just wanted to add captions. So can I bring that video to widths and add captions?
Caption will come whatever you are speaking, your voice. So you can have it, share the screen, right? You can share the screen and open the video, do the voiceover, and your voice then add the captions. So your captions will become. Captions will also come.
Got it, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Google Meet, please try it. You can try it out on your laptop. Please try Google Vids. Sir. For editing something else. Open short video editor. Right. So here before downloading, right, you can have a preview. So if there is an issue, delete it again, do it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, please. Police, sir, please. Yes. Nobody. Google Vids will work standalone. Google Vids will work standalone. Without praising, it can work. Because Google Praise is an add-on thing. Feed via Praise to add the animations. Yeah. So now go to the Vids, and when you start the camera, then browser will ask which camera you want to take as a feed. Browser will ask you. Yes. Okay.
The second thing you
Then again select the next scene and start recording. Next scene is that. Yes. Now select the screen which you want to record. Let's say this PPT. Where it is. Share. Right. So you can see here. Save your videos there. Yes, select camera plus screen. Then screen only. Yeah. So it's very simple software, Google Vids, no need to install anything. Just on the browser, you can record your video lectures. Please try it out. It will automatically take the language, whatever English language you are taking, automatically it will take. Okay, if you want to change in, let's say, different language, so before start the recording, there is a feature, you can change the language. Before start the recording.
Sir,
Yeah.
screen share. I have selected the option camera plus screen. So I want to share my
Yes, yes. Select your PPT. Yes. PPT must be from here.
camera. Which camera do you want? I have I want to select the camera.
Video. You can start the application. It should be completed. It should be there. Yeah.
Ma'am, same question. Madam, it has.
I have the same one.
Okay, so you can see camera is already engaged, it's showing that. So camera is already engaged in other app. Yeah, one camera can be accessible by one application at a time. Right? Both two applications cannot access at the same time. Yes. So camera is the width you can see. Okay.
I will select your bits now.
Okay, so here you can see which browser is Safari.
No, this is in Chrome.
Chrome? Sure.
Whatever I will press,
It will appear. Already says it. Now go to Google Bits. Now start via pages. Okay, start. The camera. Internet is online.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
It's online, peer internet.
Sir, excuse me. We can't insert this visual. Why are you getting this?
You could not insert the you are in online. I said go to offline. See, you are trying to do it online. No? Easy. Download this free version, install it, done. You are in online, not in offline.
Troubleshoot this. Madam. It should always be. No, I downloaded the. I have the we know okay at
Yes, ma'am.
Have that blackboard experience using digital tablet. Blackboard experience using digital tablet in OBS, we can do it with it's a math
You want to? Yeah. The tablet is there. Otherwise, I can suggest you a very cheapest option, blind tablet. Cost of blind tablet is 4,000 to 5,000, A4 size, right? Without screen. Just plug in with your laptop USB and open a whiteboard on your laptop, and whatever you are writing, it will display the screen, right? And on the laptop, start a screen recording software like OBS. So it will record whatever you are writing. Screen will be then your whiteboard, online whiteboard. Right. That you can. Yeah. Yes, exactly. That is blind tablets. Okay. Yes, go back. camera plus screen. Camera plus screen. Start recording. Now select the screen. Yes, select the PPT. Yes, share. Share. Yes, screen. Working from start the recording. Yes, it will record. Okay, video shot is ready. Go to the Google Drive. Okay, in which focus? Okay, scene. On this scene now, here is the voice of mode. This is Kannada. So that's why it's not a Kannada. Here is the voice. Here is the voice. If there is no voice, how you can add the caption? I want to explain that. I'm so sorry, it's not starting. I think not started. Now it will be started. Start. Voiceover is done. On that we have voiceover. Okay. After once you complete, go file and download. Alright, download. MP4. And video face and camera plus screen. So here you insert the image. So image means you need to voiceover. You selected the voiceover. And then your voice. Okay, then if you want the image with your screen, then select the camera plus screen. Start recording. And where is the image? No. Now camera plus screen means you need an image downloaded outside the computer. Yes. Just select the screen and then your picture will be. Yes, sir? Yes, sir. Any camera. See, I selected the crazy camera. Right? If I have a USB camera, yeah, any camera you can see. Yes, sir. Whatever the camera connection you have, select it. Sir, which one? Speaker phone. Speaker. Yeah, additional device. Speaker phone. No, this is a mic. This is a mic. please. Screen of the case, screen of break of browser. So, now you need voice. What do you want? So you had a one text thing, then you have this text recorded. Now, next thing, what you want? Camera only, right? So camera, and the text, the teleprompter. So paste the text here. Where is the text? Yes. Start recording. Yes, text is here. Okay, then you click on start. Then you can start. And after that, stop and start.
Sir, what is narrated video? Narrated video in Prezi.
Where are these options?
Prezi, sir. Not
Prezi, okay. Then I'll come in the Prezi. Okay, shall you proceed further? Hope you have a practice on Google Meet. Yes? Yes, sir.
5 more minutes.
Yeah, tell me, sir. Yes. What happened? You selected the camera plus screen, so first you need to select the screen. Okay. Good. Delete this thing and close on that and click the button. No, that is just like a teleprompter. That will not record. This is for your reading only. Teleprompter. This is a teleprompter. So it will not record. So yeah. So then you need to select the screen, plus camera or screen. Camera plus screen, and then share the screen wherever that is there. And text, you know, that will not record. That just will not view. So that text could be your PPT or image, and select the camera plus screen and select screen text. Then it will be recorded. Exactly.
Researchers can trace evolutionary history of plants within the Indian landscape. The distribution of these plants is primarily determined by climatic conditions, such as temperature,
That will do in open short video editing.
soil type, also
No.
significant role in establishing which
that you have to set earlier before loading the method. So that you plan earlier before recording. Editing. For that you need to follow, I said, na, find on high level, background, it will be clean, then start it. Every software have their own feature. Yeah, every software have their own feature. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Yeah. No, sir. In the Google you can't use central email. Google only Google email ID. Google only Google email ID. Okay, let's move to the next one. Yeah. So Google Vids, you can see it's very easy to use. Very easy to use tool to prepare your video lecture. I think the easiest tool, no need to install anything, right? Just on the browser and record your video lecture. I think that's the easiest tool we have. Google Vids, we need a continuous internet. It's an online software. It's online. We need a continuous internet connectivity. Now let's come to the offline softwares. Right? Few offline softwares. Again, these are the screen recording softwares. So now, in this screen recording software, there are two software I will suggest you. One is of course OBS. OBS is a fantastic. Before going to OBS, another one, that is the freescreenrecording.com, FreeCam. That is very difficult. So first means you need to identify your requirement, what you want, then choose the tool. Maybe whatever the feature we have in the FreeCam, not in your use. So FreeCam is for what? FreeCam is very light software. I think the very simplest software for this screen recording. Very offline software, the simplest software for this screen recording. And here you can just record the screen. You cannot record the presenter video. That's the thing here only. You cannot record the presenter video. You can just record the screen. Only screen. Very light software, hardly 25-30 MB software. Download, install, and you can record whole day. Right? Sometimes, let's say, some online workshop is going on, and you want a recording of that workshop. Right? So, open that FreeCam, start the recording, it will record whole day. You can keep the recording at your own. Right? So these are the multiple uses you can say for one software. Let's say you record your own video lecture, where you need not your screen, presenter is not required, only screen is required. Then FreeCam is the very simple software, very simple software. So in the FreeCam, download, install the software, enter the email ID, download a 25 or 30 MB software will be download, install it, software. Download and install in your laptop, desktop, right? So it will be look like this. Now and white. Okay, this is the PPT. Okay, this is the PPT. I would like to record, so I can adjust the screen area, right, which you wish to record. Let's say sometime I am explaining some simulation softwares and they are not on the full screen. So you can crop the screen. So I crop the screen this only.
Can
Right?
I crop it using PDF file also?
Yeah. And make it
Right, PPT, recording available in PPT also.
yeah, that also you can do it. Of course you can do it. So there are multiple ways to do it. Let's say you have some Word file, you are explaining some simulation softwares, right? How to use that software, right? Some PDF is there, some Word file is there, right? Or some image is there. You want to explain. Or let's say some video is there in some Spanish language, right? So make it voice over. So multiple way to use it. Let's say okay, this is like a YouTube. I go to YouTube video. How the electric car works. Okay. So let's say these are the video. I'll apply the OER filter. Creative Commons. I selected a Creative Commons video now. So this is the Creative Commons video, right? So this is a Creative Commons video. I can use it. Let it be open.
So for someone like me who does not have the time to analyze the stock market.
Okay. Yeah, let's say this is the video. Select, or you can make the video in full mode. This is an OER video, right? This is an OER video, right? I muted the sound of the video,
Where?
of the YouTube video, and start recording. So now video is running, and now you can record your voice. Let's say video is in some other language, Spanish, German, some other language, right? But that thing you can do it with the only OER material, not with the copyright content, with the OER material, right? So now you can record the video in your voice, in your language, right? Your language. So once it's done. See now. So now video is running, and now you can record your voice. So anything, whatever running on the screen, that may be a video, maybe a PPT, Word, PPT, screen recording. It's a screen recording software. So whatever running on your screen, whatever, it's a software, simulation, anything. Whatever running on your screen, open the free cam, select the screen or make it full screen. If it is a full screen, make it full screen, right? And start recording. So the content with your voice will be recorded. Content with your voice, no presenter is there. So that is a, you can say drawback, or you can say the feature of the free cam. You can record content plus voice only. Content plus voice only, right? So free cam is a very simplest software, I can say, to record the video lectures, but no, without presenter. Remember, without presenter, right? And once you record the video lectures, simply save as video.
Sir, actually internal camera can be accessed and through the outside.
That also you can do it. Yes, internal camera, that also you can record it. One of the way you can do it, absolutely. So I can open the camera. Absolutely, I agree with you. Right? Multiple. Right, this is the camera. I can adjust it. Or if it is possible, sometimes it's maybe if it is adjustable in the shot, then right. If it is adjustable, right, and the PPT camera, now I can free cam. So multiple things, yes. To new recording, yes. And that also you can do it like that way, right? So that will be recorded, but it does not look nice, right? Better is to use something else. So that multiple way you can see do it. So finally you can record the video lectures. Okay, hope you downloaded the free cam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 1 minute or 2 minute running. 3, 2, 1. So you can see the option is here. You can take a pause. And see that when the black and white is color is there of rectangle means no recording is going on. When the recording is going on, it will be converted to the red and white. Right? Red and white. So recording is going on, and finally you can click on done. Video recording will be done. Done. Save as video. Video will be downloaded.
And how to remove that free cam express?
There.
Like this is coming. So when she wants to open any window, that free cam this box is displaying in every window. Pop-up.
Start new recording. Click on new recording. Rectangle will come.
Actually, I'm not getting where to close also.
Okay.
Showing that it's already done.
Yes. Enable the mic. Yes. Now open the PPT. Adjust the rectangle which screen you would like to record. PPT or video or whatever.
Okay.
Then adjust this rectangle. Adjust this rectangle.
This is the one now.
Adjust this rectangle so that the screen will be.
Online course best practices to
Try to create a 1 minute video, free cam, 1 minute video. We are going to use all these video in one video, that Google needs free cam. We are going to learn few more in next sessions, OBS, Protagon. So many things we are going to use, and finally we are going to club each and everything in a one video. Open source video editor. You know that a final video, it can't be created in one shot. Right? A final video is a multiple shots. Right? Multiple shots. So we are creating multiple shots. And finally we all club it in one video to make a one final video. Where we can do editing in the videos. Yes, open source, open short video editor. That finally we are going to first create the content, then we will do the editing. We need a interactive content. Yeah. Here, what we can do, open the Prezi and you can record the. Open the record the Prezi also.
OBS also very useful for screen recording.
Fantastic. OBS is always said before demonstrating this software. I already said OBS is fantastic. No comparison of the OBS. But you know those who are using the OBS first time, I'm sure when you start using, you will be frustrated. I'm sure. First time when you start using the OBS, definitely you will be frustrated. So once you are habitual with the software, then you say automatically it's the best. That we can also do. Yeah. Directly we can record in the phrasing. There is a reason behind that. There is the option you can see record. Right? Start recording. 3, 2, 1. Right? So I can add animations. Right? With animations. Make it full mode. Right? Why this is happening? Because in the new version of Prezi, I have the old version. Right? In the new version of Prezi, you can create. You will be created, no doubt. After creating, you will find the difficulty to download it. You can create video like this, very easy in the Prezi. But in the new version of the Prezi, that's why I am not explaining it to you. Right? You asked me, that I just showing it to you. But otherwise, Prezi is fantastic. I have the old version, so it's working. So after that, you can see here, save and share. And this is the option, save file. This option will not add your application. I have this. It's a basic free version, but the old version. Okay, file and it will be downloaded.
Sir, free cam.
Voice is not.
Yeah, voice is not.
Voice is not coming actually. Is there any voice?
The free cam.
Yes.
Enable the mic. Select mic may be disabled.
Very slow voice.
So that's why I said in the beginning, never depend on the laptop's mic.
Okay.
Right? Laptop mics never depend on laptop's mic. They need some Bluetooth caller mic to record your voice clearly. Right? Yeah, you can see the Prezi video, yes. Okay, free cam is done.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, now the alternate. See, these are the things how to blind the multiple tools. So now let's see the Prezi. Come back to the Prezi. So in the Prezi, we have an option to record the video lecture, and Prezi is the amazing software for the animations. But in the new version of the Prezi, it does not have a feature to download the video. Right? In the new version of the Prezi. Now find out the alternate. Free cam. That's why I tell you the free cam first. Combination of to use the things. Right? That's why I tell free cam first.
Not for the download, not even recording.
Recording is definitely done. Go to the offline, not the online. Have you downloaded the Prezi? Yes, downloading the Prezi. Yeah, have a look here. After downloading the Prezi, so we know that how to add the PPTs, animations, right? We able to add it. Animations and PPT we added. After that, see the option here, record.
That's not getting active.
In the offline.
Yes, sir.
In the offline, is there or not?
No,
Okay.
It's not getting highlighted.
Okay. So which version you downloaded? When you sign up, hope you did the education version. Free education, free version, education. When you did the sign up, record feature will be there. You might be does not have feature to download it. The code will be there. This one, this free version. Have you downloaded this? This free one. This free one. Download, install, and when you did the sign up, hope you selected the education version. Education, right? Okay, no worry. If you does not have a feature, some might be have, some maybe not have this recording feature. No worry. Now we are managing it through the free cam. If you have, does not have, no worry about that. Let's come to the free cam. Okay, so now let's see. I'll open the free cam. So now first, what you need to do? Prezi, I said it's an amazing tool. I said my 90% of my video, I have 100,000, maybe 500 of video in my YouTube channel, my videos. And 90% of my video I have created using the Prezi. 90% of videos mine using the Prezi. It's fantastic software, but the new version it does not have a feature. Sometimes record is not there, sometimes after recording downloading is not there. But I have the old version, so it's running, so I'm using it. Right. So now the alternate, come to the alternate free cam. Okay. So first in the Prezi, you need to set all the PPTs, means content which you wish to record. Set all the contents, all the animations, right? Whatever the animations you have, you want to record, right? Set all the animation, the content which you wish to record, align in a sequence. Okay? So now I'll open the free cam, right? I'll open the free cam, new recording, right? Set the screen which you wish to record from here only, this only, right? Exclude this also, right? Don't want to record this controls, right?
Sir, when the screen is recording by using the other software, it's going to maybe
Voice on your mics. So I'm using this, now you can see the voice quality. Okay? So totally depends on the device you are using. If you are using the laptop mic, of course, quality may vary. Right? Okay, so here, free cam, sometimes my mic is muted like this by default. So enable your mic also. Right. So now in the free cam, now two software we have, the Prezi and about the free cam. Okay, so now I'm going to start the recording of the free cam. Right? So first you need to set, okay, start, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so start with like this. Okay, good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the 4-quadrant approach. Like this, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is you can share the PPTs, animation. So where you can see in the PPT content is higher, make it in full mode. Right, when the content is higher in the right, sometimes make it in floating mode and explain any video. You have the videos, explain the animations. So that you need to set first what you want to code in the Prezi. The content you need to set first, right? It is maybe a PPT or animations, right? Maybe full mode, sometimes floating mode, sometimes only presenter. So only presenter is there, right? So everything is recording now. want to take a break in between, of course you can pause. Recording is stopped. Right? Recording is stopped, and let's say something is missing. Now you can add it again. Right? Something is missing, let's say, and you can add it again. Like this. Right? So you have a time to manage it also. Right? So again, start the recording. So again, explain the content. Right? Again, explain the content and finally say, okay, thank you class, bye, done. And now let's see the final recording. Right? With animations. If you does not have a feature in the Prezi to record or download, and voice is also clear. Right. So right now the camera is not on my eye level, so just a sample video you can see. So it's a combination of multiple tools. How to manage the things. Right? See, animated video is ready.
Sir, you said plain background is practice, right? Plain background.
Plain background, okay? Plain background, of course, plain background. Yes, of course, plain background. Preferably green. If it is not there, white background, plain.
Here, can we have the praising?
Prezi, we have the feature for the virtual background, but I will not suggest you, not recommend you to use the virtual backgrounds. Never use it because the movements will disappear. Right? Prezi is there, I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, Prezi you can see, we have the feature. We have the feature here. You can see virtual backgrounds, right? Virtual backgrounds is there. These are the backgrounds we have, so we can change it, right? Backgrounds you can change it, right? But you can see now these things disappearing, the things, right? Delay. That's why I'm suggesting virtual backgrounds, right? That's why you can see it's disappearing now. So options are there. While you are recording, don't use the virtual backgrounds. Don't use it. Otherwise, options are there. Right? Okay. So now you hope you try to understand the combination of two tools. Combination of two tools, FreeCam plus Prezi. And Prezi is the amazing to have the animation in your video. I think OBS will not provide you this feature. OBS is just a screen recording software. Whatever running on screen, you just recording it. Animation is not there. Right? Animation is not there. But Prezi, we have the animations. And then, if your Prezi application, you have the feature to record and download, then directly use only Prezi. Let's say you does not have a feature to record or download in the Prezi, then use the FreeCam and record your lecture. The FreeCam I am able to use in the Prezi and Vids also, Google Vids also. Right? Prezi you can, Prezi plus Google Vids, Prezi plus FreeCam. So multiple things, combinations you can use it. A final wonderful video we can't be prepared using only one software. It's a multiple software, multiple shots. Try to do it. Now FreeCam, you have the idea of FreeCam also. Now over and above to the Prezi, use the FreeCam and record your lecture. Right? And here you have the option, you can take a pause, edit the Prezi. If something is missing, then again start the recording. Yeah, see, one is more example. Video 5 years ago. That's my video on my YouTube channel. You can see the video is approximate 1 hour 15 minutes. And see the animations. Right? All the speakers there. I think. Right. Right, so this kind of animation we can do it very easily. Lot of softwares. Just a game of softwares. So this is a video you can see for 5 years before I prepared. And there are so many videos, the animations, videos are there. So praise is also there. There's something that's Power Tool. You can see the software Power Tool. Right? There is another software Power Tool. So multiple softwares, the combination of multiple softwares, finally we are going to prepare a video. Okay, so hope you are doing the practice on praising. Yes? Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Praising. Crazy video? Yeah, very simple trick. Take a white background, it will disappear. Right? Keep a white background. Mix, it will not appear. So these are the free tools. So if we have a paid version, of course, then the watermark will not appear. So we are doing something free, and we have to manage the things.
We have a limitation of space or it depends on Gmail space.
You have downloading the video. It's not storing the online. Yeah, bits. You are downloading. Finally, you are downloading from the bits.
It's online only, but after recording, we
Yes, after recording, download. It's running online completely.
Prezi is only for presentation preparation.
Praise is for animations. Animation, content, video recordings. Praise is multiple.
Free version, we are not getting those animations.
Yeah, it's there. Free version is there. It's there. It's there. Definitely it's
This is
there.
Prezi only.
Yes, yes.
Google Slides.
Google slide, okay?
Even the recent option,
Yeah.
it's rewrite to width. When I just say I have my slides in Google Slides.
Okay.
I made some 10 slides,
Mhm.
and there was an option
Yes.
convert the
Share.
slides into
Yes, yes,
video.
yes. You can take it in the all are Google. It's a Google family.
Yes, but
Easily you can
when I was
use it.
trying to do that, after some 3-4 attempts, it was like your limit is done. So that is the reason I'm just asking. I had this problem.
I never faced the limitation. Maybe some, yeah.
I'm getting a call right now. It's saying that I don't have the application to
See, Mac is something different. Mac, is a closed package. We cannot open everything in the Mac. Windows open. Right? So, okay, so you have downloaded. Installed. MSI download. Downloaded this one. This is you downloaded. Mac is something very close. It will be done, but some system need to settings, need the permissions, and it will be done definitely. The operating system permissions are required.
Trying to download it, and once it's put,
That will take little time. It will take time. Initializing, downloading, storing.
There's no animations, free version.
Yes, there are some other issue is that you uninstall it and try to install it again. On the other laptop is working fine. All are using it. It's working. First animations and add from anywhere. I don't think you need to connect the Google Drive. Or is to upload directly. Don't need to access basically the Google Drive. Connect import from computer, search it where it is.
including botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, and computer science, under the guidance of Dr. G.
Now whatever your discipline, you can add the animation first in the basic, physics, chemistry, math, science, engineering, whatever your discipline, add the animations in the basic and then some. It will work for all disciplines.
So price is
Download and it's downloaded. Yeah, okay. Yes. It will take time. Once it will be installed, then take a restart of the computer, then it will it will take time. Depending on the internet speed, all we are on the same network, so network speed is.
madam. It's a
Busy.
text captions.
Provided by Dr. S. Srinivas from GCC Ramatandapura. In this video, we will explore the different methods used for determining fish age, identify the most common methods, and discuss how this knowledge is applied to assess factors like maturity, spawning, longevity, and growth rates. Understanding fish age and growth is essential. It helps determine when a fish reaches maturity, identify
The page installed is done.
is essential. It helps determine when a fish
Yes, exactly. So, whatever running on the crazy, that will appear on the page. Be in the page. Yes. And start the recording the Google Hits, right? Then open the crazy, you can bring yourself, you can be on the crazy. And you have to stop recording, come back to the page. Yeah.
Install చేస్తారు సార్ ప్రెజీ యా ఇట్స్ వెరీ
Yes. Download the free versions.
good, sir.
Yes, sir.
PPT not unable to add, sir. Only JPG available.
I'm coming, sir. The main is on that particular PPT has solution, try another PPT. So that particular PPT will have solution. PPT extension also. It saves with some different relation, it's not. Now we say as that we give it some different way. You can convert it to the JPG. Then if you have some specifications in the application.